Nzimana. Today we are going to talk about set intersection and union in C sharp without using built-in method. We are going to see how things is working. So first of all, we are going to see what are set operations. Here there is intersection as a set of operation. Item present in both sets. Well, set in intersection means where items are represented in both sets, and also union, all unique items from both sets. We take all unique items from both sets in order to have union. And also these we are going to see to look at these operations without using by avoid building methods like dot intersect, card brass, parentheses, and the union. This is the operations and building method. And also we are going to see how we can find it. Finding intersection overview. By doing this without using built-in function in C sharp, we used hash set for first lookups. Yeah, we needed to use hash set in order to look up. And iterate second set where we use it for each to iterate items. And add matching item to result list. And also we are going to see the code explain about that. Here there is find intersection code. Public static list int find intersection list int set 1 set 2 list is int set 2. Yeah, we have two sets. Um, Open browsers var c sin equal new hash set int set 1 var lizard equal new list int parentheses open and close parentheses for each var item in set 2, where we see set if scene dot contains item result dot add item. If we see the item contained in a scene, where we get result dot add item, and then return result, we get value of result. And also we are going to see finding intersection analysis. For the analyzing of this intersection we've done in C sharp without using built-in method, where we are going to see the time complexity of it. Here the time complexity is 0 curly parentheses n plus m cross parentheses, and also y. Building hash set, we use big order n. Looking through second list, big order m. When you combine it, we get this time complexity. And this will be efficient for large data set when you are dealing with very large data set. And also we are going to see the finding intersection test cases to test about it. Here we have set 1 and set 2. Set 1 we have 1, 2, 3, and set 2 we have 2, 3, 4. As we are dealing with intersection, we will get 2, 3, because here in set 1 we have 2 and 3, and also in set 2 we have 2 and 3, and those one must be presented in intersection where those set is intersect. And also for the second test we have 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9. For this one we can see there is no both on the same number in both set 1 and set 2. Because we don't have the same number in set 1 and set 2, where there will be empty in intersection. In intersection, there will be empty. Nothing we have in intersection for this second test case. And also for the third test case, we have empty set. For the first set, we have empty. And also for the second set, we have 1, 2. This means that we will not have intersection, because intersection, about the meaning of it, we used to have a both element which is the same in both sets. So where we proceed for the next finding union overview. For the finding union in C sharp, we've used hash state to eliminate duplicate, and also we add element from both lists. Yeah, we added the element from the both list and return unique values. Here we are going to see the code which explain about that. Yeah, here we can see public static list int find union list int set 1 set 2 set var result equal new hash set int for each var item in set 1 result dot add item. For each var item in set 2, result add item, and also return to list. It will be come back to the list. We get a value which have both in order to have a union result, which is the all the numbers from both sets without intersection, without the same or the duplicate numbers, as we've explained above. And also we are going to see analysis about it. For the analyzing finding union analysis, we will get time complexity, which is look the same there above, where we have big order parentheses n plus m cross parentheses. Why? Insertion in hash set array, big order 1, average, no duplicate added. This is understandable for finding union. And also we are going to see finding union test case, as we know the meaning of union. Here for the first test, we have 1, 2, 3. First set, we have 1, 2, 3. And also for the second set, we have 3, 4, 5. Then we will get result. We remember we will not have the duplicate number. We will remove it by using hash set. And also we will find the result 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we'll take this one as 1, this and this. Here we have a 3 and 3 in both sets, where we don't need it to be duplicated. We will get 1 as we finding the union. Here the result. For the second case state, we have first set we have 1, 1, 2. Second we have 2, 3. Here we will get both. We will only remove duplicate and then write both item from both sets. Here we will get this one. And also for the last one, we have a empty set. The first set is empty, and also the second we have 1. It means the union we will get only this number 10. And also we are going to see on both sides we've seen, and then we've seen the set. Now we are going to talk to conclude. To conclude about summary, we use the hash set to mimic set operations. We avoided breeding C sharp method. As we see in C sharp method, we used to have a breeding method of intersection and union. but we avoided using it, and we used hash set. And also efficient about the time complexity and performance. There we use the big order parentheses n plus m cross parentheses. And also we tested with the real cases as we've seen above. So thank you for watching this.